Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Sonos speaker to TV. Let's go! Source, Bluetooth, turn on the parent mode on the speaker. Set up now. Choose your speaker. After connecting, open Sound Settings and select Sound Output. Select your Sonos speaker. That's it. Now you know how to connect Sonos speaker to TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.